Hello students, this is Aishi George, faculty of Mount Litra Z School Chansi. So today we are going to do the notebook work of chapter number 2 addition. So let's start with the first word problem. Question number 1. Rahul's salary is rupees 5580 for per month. His brother's salary is rupees 4350 for per month. How much do they together earn in a month? Now, in this question, what they are saying, a boy Rahul, his salary is rupees 5580 for per month, and his brother's salary is rupees 4350 for per month. Now what they are saying is that how much money do they together earn in a month. So to find out what we are going to do, we will add these two sums. Now how we will write? See, first point, Rahul's how much salary Rahul is having? Rahul's salary is rupees 5580. Now his brother's salary is brother's salary. His brother is having how much? 4350. Now what we will do? We will add these two sums. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 5 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 we will carry here. 5 and 3 will give us 8. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So the answer is 9930. So we will write therefore they earn 5 plus 5580 plus 4350. It will give us 9930. Understood? Now let's come to the second question. Alan has 1534 building blocks. His uncle gifted him a new game which has 1394 building blocks. How many total building blocks does Alan have now? Now, in this question, what they are saying, one boy Alan, he was having a game in which he was having 1534 building blocks. Then again, his uncle gifted him a new game in which he has 1394 building blocks. Now, what they are saying is, in total, how many building blocks does Alan have now? So what we will do? We will add. So we will write the statement. Number of blocks Alan has. So 1, 5, 3, 4. Now number of blocks gifted by his uncle. So his uncle has gifted him 1394. So again we will plus them, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. You will make a rough column like this, okay? Four plus 4 will give us 8. 3 plus 9 will give us 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 we will carry here. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. 8 and 1, 9. 1 and 1, 2. So we will write, therefore total number of blocks Alan has. So how many blocks he was having? First we will write these two numbers, 1534 plus 1394. So total he was having 2928 building blocks. So 2 questions we have done just now, and these 2 questions you're going to do for your homework. Now see, Rohan borrowed rupees 3290 from Ajay and rupees 6580 from Vijay. What is the total amount borrowed by Rahul? So in this question, what they are saying, that Rahul, he borrowed rupees 3290 from Ajay. Again he borrowed rupees 6580 from Vijay. Now one boy Rohan, he borrowed money 2 times from Ajay and from Vijay. Now what is the total amount borrowed by Rohan? In this question they are saying that what is the total amount borrowed by Rahul. Now fourth question. A flower shop sold 4341 red roses and 3960 yellow roses in a month. How many roses did the shop sell in the given month? Now they are saying that a flower shop sold 4341 red roses and 3960 red roses, yellow roses in a month. How many roses did the shop sell in a given month? Now these 2 questions you are going to solve this for your homework. In the next lecture I will be explaining this, okay? And children, the homework which I have given previously, I will be attaching the PDF so you can check your homework from there. Thank you.